Have you ever opened up your messaging app to check your communities, only to find that your active groups have suddenly vanished or been hit with a strict warning notice? WhatsApp group suspension has become completely rampant nowadays because of strict automated safety filters and triggers that the platform does not always clearly outline in their standard guidelines. Today, both of my own groups were abruptly banned by WhatsApp, and as you can see right on your screen, when you open either of them up, it displays a stark message stating that the group is suspended and currently pending review. When I first got the notification that my groups were suspended, I immediately took action. As the admin of the group, I located the built-in option on the screen and simply clicked on the Submit Review button right away. For now, while waiting for the automated systems to process the appeal, the platform states that the review typically takes within 24 hours to complete, but as you will see shortly, the turnaround can be much faster if you handle it correctly. As I sat down to investigate what might have triggered this sudden double ban, I started piecing together the clues. I am strongly suspecting that what led directly to this suspension was a combination of two specific factors: the exact phrase I used in the chat and the fact that the message tagged everyone in the community simultaneously. As you can see in the chat logs, the phrase used was easy cash, which was sent as an automated response reacting to the winning betting slips posted just above it. This particular message was actually dispatched by my automated bot, which I used to manage community interactions, and it automatically tagged every single member in that message. Even though it was intended as harmless engagement for our community, a combination of a phrase that tags everyone at once and the specific wording itself saying easy cash proved to be too much for the automated filters. The WhatsApp system notoriously dislikes these patterns, and I guess it treated the broadcast as potential scam behavior or spam, even though it was completely legitimate. When you go back to the main chat screen, you can clearly see that both groups received a prominent line stating that the group is suspended pending review. To prevent this from happening to your communities in the future, there are crucial ways to protect your groups. First, you must avoid phrases that talk about easy cash, fast money, or similar financial buzzwords that trip up safety algorithms. However, if it is an absolute must that you use those specific words or phrases for your content, then you can easily bypass the text scanning bots by embedding them into custom stickers or images. Because the platform's automated scanners cannot easily read text hidden inside sticker graphics or photo files the same way they scan plain text chat messages, this workaround ensures your messages won't be identified as easily as just typing out the flagged keywords. Fortunately, you do not have to panic if you get caught in this filter. After I submitted the appeal and waited for about 6 hours, both of the suspended groups were no longer restricted. The review process was a complete success, and the groups were fully reinstated back to normal operation. As you can see right on your screen, your community is now fully restored, back online, and ready for active communication without any lingering restrictions.